Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the different kind of opiate narcotics, and you know very well opiate narcotics are also called opiates or opioids. Okay, so today I am going to teach you about the different type of medium by which opiate narcotics or opiate drugs can be extracted. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about opium. Opium is the air dried milky latex obtained by unripe capsule of white poppy plant. On your screen you can see that Papaver somniferum, that is the name of particular plant, by which you can understand that uh, how opium are used as a drug. Clear? So the name of opium is opium. Papaver somniferum. The plant name is Papaver somniferum. It belongs to Papaveraceae family, or different varieties are also there of white poppy, from which opium can be extract. Like Papaver album, or basically they use unripe fruit of it, unripe capsule. Capsule is a fruit of that particular family, so the name of fruit is capsule. So unripe capsule they use for the extraction of this particular drug. Clear? In earlier in our ancient study we know that Greek people use this drug as a painkiller. Okay, or but afterward what happened that the people are abusing it. So because it's a very strong type of drug, so that's why people are using it in a regular interval of time, or it gets the addiction of it. The opium dependent loses weight, fertility and interest in work, because they always being so lethargic. As I told you about the effect of opiate narcotics is, in our last video also we had discussed, ओपिएट जो ड्रग्स होता है उसका मेन यूज़ जो है वो टेंशन और एंजाइटी को कम करना है. इफ़ एनी थिंग इज़ रिलैक्स अवर टेंशन एंड एंजाइटी, इट मीन्स दैट it depress our immune system and it induce drowsiness and lethargicity. Okay, अगर drowsiness और lethargicity किसी केमिकल से आती है, so definitely it lead the problem of weight loss, for infertility and interest in work. So that's why opium is very dangerous type of drug. Okay, that time what happened with the those who are addicted with this particular drug, if this drug is not available, that time the who is addicted towards it feel terrible withdrawal symptoms. Terrible withdrawal symptoms means, firstly immune system effect, second thing they got a continuous nausea and vomiting, and they just being so weak, are not able to do any work. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you these kind of drugs are very dangerous. Okay, we should avoid such kind of conditions by which we are getting to be in contact of such type of people. Okay, so what are the derivatives of opium? The main derivative of opium is 20 alkaloids are there, but main derivative is morphine and codeine. Okay, so morphine and codeine, they both are very important derivative of opium. So firstly we will discuss about the morphine. Okay, if we discuss about the morphine, this is the chemical formula, chemical structure of morphine. It is an active principle of opium. It was isolated by one scientist, Sterner. Please remember this name, Sterner, because he is a German chemist, and he named it after the Greek god of dream or of sleep. ग्रीक में एक गॉड है, उनको बोलते हैं मॉर्फियस, और मॉर्फियस जो है वो नींद लाने वाले देवता है. ओके, इन ग्रीक लैंग्वेज. दैट्स वाई ऑन द on the means to give him honor, he Sterner given this chemical name as a morphine. Okay, it is a very important analgesic, children. It is also used as sedative and an anti-anxiety agent. Please remember this thing. Don't think that morphine, codeine and heroin, they all are just a drug, and overuse or abuse of these things is dangerous. But if we are using them medically, that time they are very good. They just use as a sedative and anti-anxiety agent, and it extracted from the 10% of 10% of dry weight of any poppy capsule. Okay, it's a very small doses, relieves pain, induce sleep, and if doses are increased, so that time it being more severe. Okay, so morphine reduces heartbeat also, blood pressure also, and urine output also. It increase blood sugar and cause constipation. So that's why morphines are very dangerous, we can say, if we use it in a overdose form. Now the next one is of codeine. Okay, about codeine is generally methyl morphine. Clear? It may be obtained from opium or morphine. It can be extracted from morphine. Morphine is, when morphine is methylated, that time it's known as the codeine. Okay, opium contains 7 to 2.7 to 2.5% of codeine, and it is a mild analgesic properties and does not get any kind of addiction. Please note down it. कोडीन से किसी भी तरीके का एडिक्शन नहीं होता है. इट जनरली यूज इन मेडिसिन एंड कफ सिरप. दैट्स वाई जब आप ज़्यादा मेडिसिन लें और कफ सिरप लेते हैं तो आपको नींद आती है. ओके, बिकॉज most of the cough syrup contain codeine because it relaxes our respiratory system. Okay, children, a notable side effect of codeine is constipation. Only there is a one harmful effect of regular use of codeine. That's why doctor said that don't overuse cough syrups, because after taking cough syrup we just feel lethargicity and drowsiness. Okay, so that's why codeine is used in a medical purposes. Next is about the stimulant. Stimulant we use, because stimulant generally we use in a form of natural stimulant. What are the natural stimulant? The natural stimulant are like caffeine, cocaine, betel nut. Okay, and synthetic are amphi amphetamines. Okay, amphetamines, why I am telling you these things? Because stimulant, we generally, I am just giving you one answer about the tea. Those who are having the addiction of tea, they can't live without tea. Okay, because it provides the psychological dependence over it. It also withdraw a person from depression, anxiety and restlessness. So that's why the stimulant include caffeine, cocaine, and these are just used for relaxation of our nerve system. इट मेक पर्सन मोर वेकफुल, अलर्ट एंड एक्टिव. दैट्स वाई जब आपको नींद आ रही हो, आप कॉफ़ी पी लो या चाय पी लो तो आपको फ्रेशनेस फील होती है. ओके, बिकॉज दे कंटेन वन कंपाउंड दैट इज़ ऑफ कैफीन. ओके, सो caffeine is a vegetable alkaloid, and basically it present in a tea plant and coffee plant. What is the name of tea plant? Many time it has asked in competitive examination. The name of tea plant is Thea sinensis. Okay, Thea sinensis is a name of tea plant, or it belongs to family Theaceae. And dried beans of coffee plant. Coffee plant, name of coffee plant is Coffea arabica. Coffea arabica. So Coffea arabica belongs to family Rubiaceae. And dried seed of cocoa plant. Okay, cocoa plant mean like Theobroma coca is the name of cocoa plant. Theobroma coca. Okay, family Sterculiaceae. Please remember these name. Okay, So these are the medium by which we can get caffeine. Caffeine is a white crystalline slightly bitter alkaloid. Caffeine is commonly taken as beverages in form of tea, coffee, cocoa and cola drinks also. Okay, it also generally present in chocolate bar and chocolate confectionery also we are using caffeine. What is the effect of caffeine? Okay, caffeine increase our metabolic rate of neurons, alertness, or it improve the performance of people. Higher doses cause nervousness, restlessness and insomnia. Okay children, so excessive intake of caffeine cause addiction. So we should always use these component in a very organized manner. Are you getting my point? A cup of tea contain 30 to 70 mg of caffeine. So if you are drinking 200 ml of cola, cold drink, that time it's of 25 to 60. So you can understand that if you are using it in an excessive amount, it cause different kind of harm like anxiety, irritability, diarrhea, irregular heartbeat, and like this effect you can feel in your body if you use them in a very unorganized manner. Okay, so if you those who are having the addiction of tea and coffee and all, if they not get it in on time, they feel headache, disturbed sleep and lethargicity. Okay, so that's why this is the addiction of different kind of opioids as I told you. And in next video we will discuss about the another type of drugs. Okay children, now I hope that much is clear. If you have any query regarding this, please send me your question. Thank you children.